Hello Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. We are going to keep this short and sweet. We're making no-bake energy bites. So this is a recipe that has some sprouted oats. That's actually my oat of choice. Sprouted oats are something that I've read that you seem to digest a little easier than other rolled oats. So that is what I'm using, and I found mine at Costco, but you guys can probably find them at most grocery stores as well as at a health food store. So I'm using a little bit of that. I'm using some hemp seed, some flax seed. We're using a nut butter. You guys can use any nut butter you like, and we're sweetening this with dates, which is great because we recently discovered that dates don't really impact your blood sugar like other sugars do, and they also have some fiber, which is fantastic. So, and this comes together really, really quickly, guys. If I prefer to do this, a lot of it in a food processor because I like to combine the nut butter and the dates to get a really smooth mixture. But you guys could use this, could make this in a bowl as well. You're gonna need a little elbow grease, but you can definitely do it. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. It really does help our channel grow. So let's learn how to make these no-bake, delicious energy bites. Let's toast 2/3 of a cup of unsweetened shredded coconut in a skillet on low heat, and just keep it moving for about 3 to 4 minutes. Set that aside to cool. Then we are going to pit 8 medjool dates, about 140 grams worth of dates, and we're going to pour hot water over the dates to let them soften, and we're going to let them be for about 10 minutes. Once they've softened, we are going to grab our food processor and we're going to drain the dates and add them to the food processor, along with 1/2 cup of peanut butter. You can use any nut butter or seed butter of choice. We're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, which I forgot to record. We're going to blend this on high for about a minute or two until it's really nice and smooth. We are going to transfer that to a bowl. We're going to add 1 cup of sprouted oats, our 2/3 of a cup of toasted coconut, 1/4 cup of flaxseed, and 1/4 cup of hemp seeds. And we are just going to either use a spatula or a spoon just to start to mix this through. But I think it's best to actually use your hands for this job. Just mix until it's nicely incorporated. And now we're going to add some mini chocolate chips, only because I ran out of regular chocolate chips. This is 1/3 a cup of mini chocolate chips. And when you actually press all of it together, it should stick together. Using a 1 tablespoon ice cream scoop, which is really great for truffles or these kinds of energy bites, we are going to scoop 25 bites. Once you've formed your balls, you can eat them right away, or I like to refrigerate them for about an hour before enjoying them. Enjoy our no-bake energy bites. They are absolutely delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try these no-bake energy bites, let me know in the comments below. Also, as a reminder, all of the ingredients and measurements are in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy baking.